how do you deal with procrastination after you have a conversation with the customer, you uncover the issue, you send a skillful email, capabilities needed, you present the solution that is going to save them X amount of money, and they just keep putting you off and off. Hey, it's busy. Hey, it's summer. We're launching a new product, all hands on deck. Just what do?
You stay locked into this. I'm calling to see if they haven't agreed to do it, calling to see if it makes sense to blank, whatever the solution is, so you can blank. And then if they put you off and just say, we haven't gotten around to it, you're going to say, what's a good next step? If they say, we're thinking about it, we've got it on the back burner, we had this other thing come up, you're going to skip the next step, because if they said what they were going to do and you go, what's a good next step? They'll go, I just told you, right? We're slammed with this. You're going to point the question at yourself. You're going to jump to the second tier of what's a good next step and go, what's a good next step for me, right? And you're going to find, because we're pessimistic by nature as salespeople, you think they're going to put you off until the end of the season. They might say, give me a call in a week and a half, right? Chuck's out right now. He's in Cabo doing the Cabo Wabo. Give him a couple days to rehydrate and not be hungover, and then give me a call on the 13th of next month, right? Perfect. I'll call you the 13th if I haven't heard from you before then. In the meantime, I'll resend you that email with my understanding of the current situation, capabilities needed, next steps in terms of getting you guys from A to B so you can XYZ 1, 2, 3, right?
Okay. So you just basically
stay locked in there.
Same thing you did the last time.
Yes, and we think we're being weird by asking the same question over and over again, but weird is not that. This is weird. Hey, just checking in. Hey, just following up. Hey, just wanted to see if you had any questions. Hey, I haven't heard from you guys. Hey, bumping this up to the top. Hey, I just wanted to make sure this was still important to you. Hey, last thing I wanted it to be was a pest, right? Mm-hmm. You stay locked into, as promised, calling to see if it makes sense to get your team with access to the blankety blank and blah, 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 so we can help take business from 20 million to 36 million, right? 2 weeks later, as promised, calling to see if exact same message over and over and over again. And when they respond, if it's anything other than yes, if they say yes, congratulations, you made a great decision. What happens next? You're not going to punish them for waiting. Right? If they say anything other than yes, you're going to go, what's a good next step? If they preemptively tell you a next step, this is on the blank, we got to talk to the board, we're until we figure out what's going on with the tariffs, we're not doing anything, totally get it. You're going to confirm, totally understand. What's a good next step on my end? And then make them tell you. And if they're like, well, I don't know, you're then going to set a next step. Don't be too aggressive with it. Be like, how about we do this? I know based on my understanding that this is potentially saving you guys $37,000 a month. That's little over $1,000 a day. How about we do this? It's the 24th right now. I'll call you the 15th of next month if I haven't heard from you before then. Fair enough? They'll be like, yeah. Right? And you're just going to stay locked in to landing that airplane. Where we screw ourselves up is when we're like, I need to come up with something new to say to them. Right? Or we get pissed off and frustrated. Don't do either of that. Just say the same message and then go out and prospect and find some other deals.
Got it. Thank you.
If you like this video, I'm going to get you closing more deals. I'm going to give you my closing mini masterclass, normally $300. Click the link here or in my bio. I will pick up all the costs for you. It's on me. Click the link. Let's get you closing.